Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add the accessibility shortcut right here to the control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find Control Center, get into it, and right here you can find two different groups of options. The first is included controls and the second is more controls. So actually included controls means that these options are at the control center, and right from here you can add or remove any options from the control center, and all you have to do in order to add accessibility shortcut is just hit right here at that plus sign next to accessibility shortcuts, and now as you can see it moved to included controls. And now if I go to the control center right here I can find that accessibility shortcut. Also, I can change the order of that shortcuts. I can just hold down these three lines, and then I can move it up or down to position it wherever I want. Let it be that position, and now I can see that this icon moved right here just next to calculator icon, just like here. So in the same way you can add any shortcut to the control center, or you can easily remove it from here. Let's say I want to remove a low power mode. I can hit right here at that minus sign and then hit on remove. As you can see, I have just removed a low power mode from the control center. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.